Alright friends, now we have come to the nested if usage. So in this lesson we will find the largest element between three numbers. So when do we need nested if? You can put an if-else inside another if. You can also put an if-else block inside an else block. That's what we call nested if. So it depends on the condition. So let's define three numbers and find the largest one. I come here, I say int x equals to 5 and y equals to 6 and z equals to 7. Z equals to 7 and we will find the maximum number, and I just define max here. Okay, we open our first if condition to compare x and y. I open it. Inside if block, I compare x and y. If x greater than or equals to y, I go further. Otherwise, it will enter to the else block. Okay. So I open my another if block here. So I compare x and z. If x is greater than or equals to z. So what does it mean? So let's read this code. If x is greater than or equals to y and also greater than or equals to z. So x is the largest element. So I come here, I say my max value is x. So otherwise, in this if block, I define else block 2. So what does it mean? X is greater than or equals to y and x is less than z. So z is the largest element. So my max value is z. I hope you understand it. So we will complete this nested structure in else block 2. I come here, I copy these. So I paste here. In my else block, what I need to compare? I need to compare x and z again. So for going forward in else block, what the condition should be? The condition x is less than y. So x is less than y here. And what I need to compare? I need to compare with y and z. So I change it y and z. If y is greater than or equals to z, so y is the largest element. So I come here, I say my max value is y. Otherwise, my max value is z. Okay, I hope you understand it. So what I need to do, I need to just print it. So where it finish, you see it finish here, I mean here. So I say system.out.println and then I say max value, I put my comma and then I use plus operator. I give my max variable. Okay, let's run it. I say java.main java, so my max value is 7. Is it correct? I check it. Yes, I have x, y and z value, so maximum is 7 here.